Work is proceeding on this plant, so the windows have all been put, like not all of them, but a better part of it than the platform here. Platform, see the mighty gigantic windows. So let's go and see the other side of it, which is where the trucks will be coming in to bring the loads of pallets. So this is the normal side of the plant, right? So wow. So you can see the windows and the doors, and this is the automation part of it, which is what we're doing right here. So our part is still progressing. So this is the loading and offloading area. We're gonna have like the LGVs here after, so you can see tons and tons of glass. So work is still ongoing in this area anyways. So the recent work they just finished yesterday is the truck area. So where the trucks are gonna be coming in. So this is the truck area. That is the warehouse over there. So it's a very big project, 5 million, something like that. 5 million euros, and so all of the glasses of this cold room, that is a cold room right there. The glasses have all been placed. And this mighty door here, still remains to be done. So that is the outside, and this is the warehouse. Work is progressing, and the only thing is the code is actually very cold, and I personally have been suffering on this one. It's really cold. It's not been easy, but we're going to finish this project very soon. Like God's grace, in a few months, let's say 5-6 months, we should be done in the automation part of it. So, yeah. So this is the automation part of it. This is the inlet. So we have the 3-bay inlet. So we have the bay 1, bay 2, bay 3, and the outlet, which is this one right here, which is the only outlet we have in this area. So we have the electric cabinet for the bay area, and these are the trains, you know. The trains that go around this track. So this is the automation part of it. Now this is gonna be a control room, temperature control room of 3 degrees. So you can see it's gonna be a warehouse of 3 degrees temperature controlled. So there's gonna be a big door here. This door is still uncompleted. You can see. So right. So now let's take a look at the right side of the building. It's still work in progress anyways. Everything here is work in progress. As long as there is progress, then everything is cool. So I love the way they added wood to this part of it. So this roofing in wood is great. And so we have the side of the offices. So these buildings right here are gonna be the offices. So you can see it's already been cemented, and there's a passerella right here where you can pass. So just the corners of the house. See, work is in progress. Those are the offices right there. Then here we'll have our crane area. This big crane is the one that checks and controls everything. So you can see how rough everything is, but everything will soon be finished. I think in 5 months, if you come here, you won't believe what you see in 5 months' time. So, all right, so I'll take you to the power sector of the building, where the power stations are positioned, like the emergency power station. As long as there is government supplied electricity. So I'll take you to the power sector of the building where we have the standby power station. Okay, so this is the side of the building. Now this is the power sector of the building, and you can see this gigantic power station. So this is the standby power station. All right. Now the mountains are totally covered with clouds. Normally without clouds, the mountains are visible if I were just at the back of the mountain. So this is the power area of the building. And we have this gigantic Visa company generator, and it is now it is how many? It is what is the kVA? It's a 1000 kVA power generator with 400 or 230 voltage, and the amps, the power, the current is 1443, and with this is crazy, and the weight is 9650 kg. That is almost 10 tons. So it's crazy, right? So this is the power sector. This should be the fans for cooling. So this is the back of the building, and the back of the building, it always lies the most important of infrastructure in any project. So this is gonna be a lift. So this is gonna be the lift area, and here there's a staircase that leads to other parts of the building. So I think the lift will be here. Now it's closed, yeah. Okay, so this is where the lift is gonna be. The elevator, whatever you call it. So this is where the elevator is going to be situated to take you up right there. Okay. So these are external access doors and a water view. Now I want to take you upstairs. Take you upstairs here. Now these are the control rooms. Yes. These are the control rooms. You will have your control panels for both your internet, your Ethernet, your electricity, everything. This is the control room right here. It's quite big. So we'll see if we can access the upper part of it. And this is the power station we're using right now for commissioning. So this one is going to go away. So this is the other part of the building. The back of the building. You see these mighty pipes right here. So now we can go up and see what we've got. Okay, so this is the upper part of it. So the windows have all been placed, and these are the safety access door to our cranes. See if I can open all this. So no. What the fuck? Take water. Okay, now I can open it. That is a safety door. So for the few people, you're gonna see the cranes. So I'll take you for the cranes afterwards. Okay. Safety doors have all been fixed. In fact, this is the first time I see this. I didn't know that. This is the first crane, huh? Here we can see our truck. So this is the upper front of it. Trying to go this way, we can have a better view. I don't. Okay, these are toilet. These are, I don't know, maybe bathroom. So this is the better view of everything from here. All right. Yeah, this is a pharmaceutical company called Unifarco. They make very expensive, like creams, not medication, no, but I think cosmetics here. They make cosmetics and all sort of stuff for your health. Very important pharmaceutical company in Italy and in Europe. So we'll try to go down. So from here, normally those are the mountains, but they are covered with clouds. Those are part of the Dolomites. But here we are. So guys, this is a complete review of this great plant.